My name is Najwa.
My name is Patnis.
And this time, we will story A Dutch Old Lady.
One day, there was a beautiful girl from the Netherlands who lived in Indonesia. The girl received a Dutch scholarship. Her name is Elza Vanderman. She was sitting in the middle of Glass Park when an old woman said to the girl, "Begin mencegah."
Get your skin done. But mother, you can see the market from here. Lovely and the stone are funny. We are Dutch here. Don't get too close to them.
He saw a commoner named Siti, and then he greeted her.
Teach me how to make layer cake. I cannot eat, but I the madam finds out again. Gets scolded. We will do it quickly. I will share